Just climbed out of the mountains of Utah, looking across this prairie, and that's what we see. Sweet. Oh, gee whiz, what's that? Oh, gee whiz, that is a nice sign. A little fig jam to go with their awesome pizza. It's an excellent pizza.
Yeah.
Very good.
Excelente.
Say that again in Italian?
No, I don't think excelente. It just has the accent. It's not really the word. You know. Well, I've never in my life taken tours and stuff.
Me neither.
This is what we did, okay?
You know what? This is going to be exactly what we need to make this interesting.
Actually, this road is what we need.
This road is fantastic.
Yeah. Encouragement, honey.
Wow. This is amazing.
I would stay.
So cool.
Side is still in the shoe.
Look up there. Whoa. Okay, now tell me what you really think.
I'm wowed to my toes.
There we go. It's a little bit windy, breezy. Actually, breezy, not windy. But if you want to come up here in Suntown, this is your place. This is amazing. It's so warm.
Yeah, this is
Much more comfortable.
Yeah. It's chosen for the chair.
We climbed it. Well, not to the top, but as far as we were willing to go today. It's amazing.
Okay, first off, kudos to barefoot shoes, because these things grip and make this really fun and a different experience.
The grip on these shoes is amazing. Wow.
been a blast. Brian's the best.
We have the tired tongue look. In case you're into quilts, we're in the Sedona Public Library, and they have some amazing quilt displays. I'm gonna show you right now. Here you go. That was amazing. So many great ones here. Super cool. If you're into quilting, love color, artsy, love to sew.
Have something
This
on
is
our
it.
beds
This is
or
it.
in our homes.
This is it. This is the motherlode of quilts.
They do this once a year.
Once a year?
Yeah.
Cool. There you go. Talk to me. Talk to me.
I got my picture
Live.
in the library.
Live. We're recording live.
Yes, the quilt show.
The quilt show?
Yeah.
What happened to the quilt show? Please tell me
I
more.
got to speak because that was the first thing that I ever made. Was a crazy quilt.
That's incredible.
She
That's
couldn't
incredible.
believe I learned that in
Incredible.
school, elementary school in America. Yes, it happened.
Okay, you're too close to the camera, damn it. So we had a fantastic day of mountain biking. I couldn't get as much filmed as I wanted because we just had to keep on moving. So that was a bit of a disappointment. I would have loved to film a lot more for everybody. But it was incredible, absolutely amazing. Had so much fun. And we're pooped and exhausted, but we are leaving. We need to get to Cave Creek for tomorrow because we got to get prepped and ready
For 22 kilometers, continue straight.
Yeah, okay, got that. So we're going to film a gravel bike race on Saturday. So that's 2 days away. I got to get prepped tomorrow, get ready, and that's the next thing on the journey. So we're leaving Sedona now. Glad we could take you on this part of the journey, and we'll touch bases for the next level after we get there.
On the way to Jerome for a haunted hamburger.
That's right, the haunted burger.
And then a van wash. All of that's also
Van wash.
included.
Van wash.
Yeah, van wash.